Even my dad told me, your hair looks like it's getting straighter. And I'm like, I know, because it used to be curly. And, like, it's hidden right here. But right now, it's just frizzy, dry.
Okay.
Can never win.
You can. Tell me about it.
Okay.
Big deep breath.
Well, it's a lot. So it's like, I don't straighten my hair. I used to diffuse it, but not anymore because it takes too much time.
Okay.
And then I don't apply any heat or anything.
When was the last time?
I think like a month ago or so.
When you say heat, do you mean like a flat iron?
Yeah, flat iron. Okay. Or curl my hair.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, as you can see, it's like very dry.
I'm looking at it, I'm going, and most curly hair it's sensitive. And when you flat iron something, that flat iron's sole intention is to knock out and dehydrate and remove every ounce of moisture as much as possible to get it to stay away from your natural texture. So I'm sure you're feeling the effects.
Yeah, it's not as defined anymore.
As it was before?
Mm-hmm.
Are you wanting to kind of like never do that again type thing?
Yeah.
Cool. Good.
Yeah, because I could see, I was like, oh yeah. Like, it's just frizzy, dry.
Okay.
Can never win.
You can. You gotta kind of like just get certain things out of your orbit.
Yeah.
So like you said, you don't want to do it anymore anyway, so that's an easy sell. I don't have to like convince you of it because you're already seeing the effects. Some people are like, really? And I'm like, we won't be flat ironing anymore. No round brush blowouts. No. I'm fine with the diffuser, but I know you said you don't do that anyways because it takes so much time, but I'm fine with an air dry too. The other things that I ask people if they're doing, you adding any straight up oils to your hair to try to shellac the frizz down or anything?
Yes, I've been using the JVN brand. Mm-hmm. And then before I shower, I use also the JVN brand for just to grow my hair because it's very thin. And I feel like I'm kind of losing hair.
Question for you. What does water not mix with?
Oil.
So we want your hair to be what? Hydrated and moisturized?
Yeah.
Cool. What is going to hydrate and moisturize your hair? By definition, Webster's Dictionary.
Water.
Yeah. So are those oils water?
No.
Is the product water? Listen, I love Intersense. Intersense is my favorite line right now. And I'm going to show you some of their stuff today. Yeah. But even they have some stuff that I don't like the labeling.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with the cut? Are you scared?
Yeah.
What are you scared of?
I just don't want it to be too short.
So you don't want like a chin length bob?
Oh no.
I'm teasing you. When was the last time you cut it?
So I've actually never cut it with someone who specializes with curly hair.
Okay.
So I go with my mom's hairstylist, and it's not great. But
okay.
I think that was like 2 months ago.
Oh, so not very long ago. Mm-hmm. Okay. What I'm seeing is it's all very one length. Would you agree?
Yes.
Like this is all pretty long. So that's just going to kind of, we need to bring some action out of it.
Okay.
Where would you be mad at me if I needed to move you up to do some shape?
What do you think? Because I trust you.
So here's what's going on. You're full enough back here, but over here off to the sides, you can see it's getting pretty see-through right here. If I got to knock out that much of it, it would help me out a lot to get you some shape. You're going to feel shorter, but I think you're going to feel good.
No.
And then the idea is like we can kind of keep that shape going longer. Does that make sense?
As long as it looks healthy, I'm happy.
It'll look healthier because we're going to show you how to do it. But the idea is down the line, your hair needs zero help from anybody. Your hair grows in perfectly healthy. Okay. It's about the things that we do to it that mess it up. That's the key that you got to remember.